Usekela mongameli weli umnumzana David Mabuza uthi umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa waalahlekiswa yibhodi yequmrhu lakwa-Eskom malunga nomba wocimi-cimi wombane. Ekupheleni kwalonyaka uphelileyo umongameli Ramaphosa wabhengeza ukuba akuzubakho cimi-cimi wombane de ibengumhla weshumi elinesithathu wale nyanga sikuyo kanti akuzukuba njalo.
Ibhodi lakwa-Eskom eliphethwe uhlalo Umabuza nongqongqoshe wezamabhizinisi wahulumeni uPrivate badungisa umongameli. Konke lokhu kushiwa usekela mongameli wezwe nokakhongolose wayekhona mhla umongameli esasaza ezweni ethi ukucima-cima kwagesi ngeke kusaba khona kuyoze kushaye umhla ka-13 January. Usekela mongameli Umabuza okade khankasela umbuyazo kabukhongolose okuzobe ubungaza iminyaka eyi-108 ngomgqibelo lokusiya kuwona. Ize kuyimanje libhekene nokucima-cima kwagesi, kodwa iqembu elibusayo lona liyabhiyoza. Usekela mongameli waphinda wakhipha leli bhomu.
Well, they've misled the president, but right from the day when we went there with the president, I insisted on the problem of Eskom maintenance of this power station. It's very important. You can't say there won't be any load shedding if there's no effective maintenance of these power generation plants. So the problem that is facing Eskom is the maintenance of these power stations. Some are old, of course. We must rebuild new power stations. Of course, we must get the new ones running to full capacity.
Usekela mongameli uphinde wagxeka isinqumo esathathwa sokwenza Umabuza uhlalo webhodi futhi a-act njengo-CEO.
We want to give the new CEO an opportunity to assess the situation. Of course, the board has been struggling to get things right. We appreciate the fact that there was no CEO, it was full-time. Jabu was chairperson and CEO, which was not a very good situation for Eskom. Now that we've got a new CEO, we want him to assess the situation, and very soon I'm going to meet with him in order for him to tell us exactly where can we assist him.
Umongameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa nokakhongolose uthi babhekene ngqo ngengqinamba ebhekene no-Eskom.
Yes, but you know, these are challenges that we are facing. We are facing these challenges and we are addressing them.
Usekela mongameli wezwe nokhongolose umnumzana David Mabuza akawadungusi amagama akhe mayethi ibhodi lakwa-Eskom eliphethwe umnumzana Mabuza kanye nongqongqoshe wezamabhizinisi kahulumeni ibona abadungusa umongameli mayethi ugesi ngekuphinde ucime kuze kushaye umhla ka-13 January. Umbuzo omkhulu manje ukuthi umongameli uzokwenzani ngalokhu, uzothatha isinqumo noma uzobayeka. Ngusamkelo Maseko endabeni ze-SABC eNorthern Cape.